Could there be two very different jobs with exactly the same title? Yes, this is the business analyst title. The two jobs that it covers are, first, this is someone who examines, maps and documents business processes and helps software developers better understand the business requirement. And the second one is someone who works with data in order to derive insights and valuable information for stakeholders in order to help them make better decisions. Let's start with the first one. The business analyst, in the first meaning of the title, is, and this is the most accurate in my opinion, is someone who works with processes, with stakeholders, examines, maps and documents different processes and tries to improve them within the organization. As with many other titles, the BAs, this is the abbreviation for business analyst, can have many different subcategories. If you want to learn more, I will leave more information down in the description. Regarding the second job type that is often referred or sometimes referred to as business analyst, this is actually a data analyst. This is a person who collects, cleans, models, transforms and visualizes data for stakeholders, employees and other people in the organization so that they can consume that information and insights and use it for better decision making. Again, as with the first type of business analyst, there are different types of data analysts, and if you want to learn more, I will leave more information down in the description. Now here is my answer to why we have one and the same title for these two different jobs. First, as I said, I think the original business analyst is actually the person who examines, maps the business processes, tries to improve them, is working with lots of documentation and also serves as a bridge between the non-technical stakeholders and software developers in the software development lifecycle. Then, as data analysts and other analytics, and analytics here is the key word, jobs started emerging and growing, some people started to refer to the data analyst job as business analyst. Why this happened, I'm not quite sure, but I have some ideas why this could have happened. I think some people tried to show that analytics is more closely related to the business. So, for example, analytics linked to how to improve revenue, how to cut costs, or how to bring more clients. And that's why they referred to this analytics position as to business analyst instead of data analyst. Actually, the title business analyst, I think, represents very well and is suitable for the data analyst and other analytics type of positions. The only problem is that it's already taken, and as you already know, the other position I was using it beforehand. So I think for people who are working with analytics, with data and deriving insights from it, it's better to stick with the data analyst position title. I hope I was helpful with this video. I hope you learned the difference between the two different jobs with the same title. If you want me to create a longer video with better explanation on the different skills and the different job descriptions of these two types of jobs, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you and bye.